Working with as many small amps like this as I have, every once in a while I'll come across one that has a bad speaker. And yes, it is possible to trade the speaker out for this thing, but usually the ones that I replace them with, the magnets are too big to even fit in the back of the enclosure. Instead, what I've done is I've taken some suggestions from you guys who asked, well, what would happen if you would put an external speaker out so you could plug this thing into another speaker, a larger cabinet, and see how the sound changes that way. Turns out this is probably one of the best modifications I could have made to these little amps. Now, to make these changes, I did something very much like I did on the clock radio to amp conversion. Namely, I took a 1/4-inch phone jack that has some normally closed switches. So when I plug a cable into there, it will disconnect the speaker and route it to an auxiliary or external speaker. The process of doing that was drilling a hole for the new jack to go in there, disconnecting the wires from the internal speaker, and I added enough cable to extend those wires to the output jack, and then from the output jack back over to the speaker. I tried two different styles of these switching jacks, the first of which was open and it would only switch one of the connections. I had a problem with that particular switch, so I traded that one out for an enclosed version that would switch both the hot and the ground leads going to the speaker. I gave it a quick test, buttoned everything up, and took it over to my 212 to give it a quick test run. As bad as these amps originally sounded, and with the little improvement I did with cascading them, I never would have imagined it came out that good going through a set of external speakers, namely a 212 cabinet. So if I did anything else, I would consider taking both of these and putting them in their own enclosure and making a brand new amp out of the thing. But that's a project for another day. Anyway, I appreciate you guys checking this thing out. I'll be back next time with a whole new project that involves something a lot more involved. And I will catch you guys next time.